So welcome to the class. Jai Hind everyone. Today we are going to discuss the solution of our online test 1.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon
Good afternoon, sir.
everyone. We have a new student in our class, Mahalakshmi. I welcome you. And please be here and see there are some questions. We are going to see the solution of them. So the first one was the objective, where a product and operations of integers, fine, mixed combination of operation of integers. So first of all, bracket is there, minus 16 plus 18 multiplied by minus 11 plus 12. Okay, keep your videos on. Those who want to answer, they just raise their hands. Okay, Sumit Rathore will only answer this. Sumit, unmute yourself, Sumit. Sumit, can you hear me, Sumit? Rishika Bodhakunta, Rishika. Minus 11 plus 2 here, minus 11 plus 2 will become minus of 9. You know, plus minus will be minus and the sign will come off bigger number, yes? So, यहाँ पर 18 bigger है, so there is 2. Here, minus 11 is greater, that's why here it is minus 9. When there are different signs, one is plus and one is minus. For different sign, we are going to do subtraction. हम subtraction करते हैं. And we put the sign of the bigger number. Okay, so few students are here, those who are ready to answer. But again, I just want to tell you again in the beginning of the class, those who are ready to answer, see Jay, Santosh, Harsh, fine. Again, I request all of you that please help your friends also. Okay, जो आपके friends का circle है ना, just be in contact with them. और आपको मैं भी अगर marks show करता हूँ, so we can see that many of the students have done it wrong. It is a basic question, fine. I think all of you must do it correct, but still, okay. So Jayant, continue with.
Sir, minus 9 into 2 is equal to minus 18. Minus 18 into minus 5 is equal to plus 90.
Okay, in the product, if anyone is negative, the multiplication is negative. Now 2 negative, so answer will be positive of 90. Is it okay for everyone? Mahalakshmi, you unmute yourself, Mahalakshmi.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Mahalakshmi, have you
So which
studied?
chapter is going on?
Actually, now only we had our online test 1, so we are discussing the solution of that online test. Fine.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
And have you studied integers, Mahalakshmi?
Yes, I have studied.
Okay, so the first question I think we got it. It is about integers. There are 2 additions, then 2 multiplication. The answer is plus 90. So all of you cross check your answers, and what you will do, all of you, when we complete this part, I think you all are having your answer sheet. जहाँ पे आपने answer लिखा है, so give yourself mark, and I think by tomorrow when we complete this solution, so you send me the approximate marks which you get. Okay. Fine. Now the second question. This was a real life based question. I searched on Google and I found about this mountain. Okay, what was the name of the mountain? Can anybody tell?
Mount Kea. Mount Kea.
Mount
Kea.
Kenya.
Yes,
सर माउंट की
Mauna Kea, हाँ, yes, Mauna Kea. So ये जो Mauna Kea करके जो mountain है, it is the largest mountain. See why? Because it has the height above sea level and below sea level. Fine. How much above sea level? 4,205 kilometers above sea level. How much below sea level? Below है तो यहाँ पर हमको माइनस का यूज करना चाहिए. Minus of 5,761, and we have asked the vertical distance. Okay, who will answer? Raise your hands. Yes, Harsh. Harsh, you are not. Hi.
9,966 meters.
Why? How? How?
सर
Wait a minute, Jay. Yes, Harsh.
Sir, we have to add.
Fine. तो addition कैसे करेंगे? What is the right first? Which is the bigger number?
4205 plus 4205 plus 5761.
अच्छा तो we should write minus. Okay? हम एक difference find कर रहे हैं ना? We are finding a difference. तो जब हम difference find करते हैं, so we know that we should use the sign of subtraction. But the second number is also negative. So minus minus become
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
plus. Yes, Jay.
Sir, I added directly 4205 plus 5761 because it was MCQ.
But yes, why we are adding? Because actually we are finding a difference, and the second number is a negative. So minus of 5 has become plus. Okay. So whenever we have asked the vertical distance, you know that we have to do this. This is the second answer. Those who done correct, give yourself 1 mark. Okay, the third one is about pattern. Fine. Who will going to tell me the pattern here? Students, please participate, be active. Those who answered in exam, they keep their video on. Raise your hand. Mahalakshmi, you also try if you can able to answer.
Yes, sir. So are these the exam questions or
Yes,
exercise?
yes. These are exam questions. This was online test 1 we have done. So it is from test. Santosh, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, my answer is 13.
How?
Sir, minus 62 and minus in bracket minus 37. Sir, so I got minus 62 plus 37 equals to minus 25. Minus 25.
Difference is of 25. Yes.
Oh. Sir, how sir minus 62 and minus 37, so sir?
But who is greater? Who is greater?
Okay, minus 37. And sir, minus, sir, and minus 12 and minus 25. So minus 12 plus 25. So it is plus 13.
Fine. Greater also.
And sir, if we plus this all, we will get a 38.
38. Next number. Fine. So here, as you can see, there is a difference of 25. Okay, the first number is minus 37, which is greater here. तो हम start कहाँ से करेंगे class? From minus of 37. So minus of 37 and then minus 62. Why minus? क्योंकि हम यहाँ difference find कर रहे हैं, फिर से कि इन दो नंबर के बीच का difference क्या है? What is the difference between the two numbers in the series? जब भी ऐसा कोई सीरीज का क्वेश्चन आता है तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी शुड फाइंड द डिफरेंस. हम डिफरेंस फाइंड करके देखते हैं कि अगर डिफरेंस सेम है देन वी कैन इजीली टेल द नेक्स्ट नंबर. तो हमने यहाँ पे डिफरेंस देखा. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? 25. So when we see that when we add 25 we are going towards a positive number. So again plus 25. So minus 12 plus 25 is 13. Okay. The fourth one was a by 16. There is a fraction a by 16 which is greater than 3 by 4. इस क्वेश्चन को बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को समझने में प्रॉब्लम आया है. हमें ऐसा एक नंबर चाहिए so that this fraction should be greater than 3 by 4. Fine. And there were options, I think 3, 11, 3, 11, 12, 13. Okay. 3, 11, 12, 13. One, two, three. I can see only 3 students. Okay, Shardul is here. Yes, Shardul.
Sir, the correct answer is 13.
Why?
Because if we will do 12 by 16, so it will be its lower form will be 3 by 4. And if we want greater one, so we will take 13.
Yes, correct. Yes.
Sir,
Yes, Jen.
So I cannot understand.
sir, first I took LCM of these two numbers, then 16 came, 12 by 16, then 13 is bigger than 12, so I took 13.
Good. Okay, let us try to understand one more time. There are two
Excuse me,
fractions.
sir.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, in this they given the coordination also, sir.
What?
Sir, because the coordination is given.
Coordination?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm not getting. See, fine. If we take 12 by 16, okay, we know 12 by 16. What is the lowest form of 12 by 16? 3 by 4. Okay, so these are the 4 options. If I put the 12 here, so 12 by 16 is 3 by 4, but we want more than 3 by 4. हमें 3 by 4 से greater चाहिए. और जैसे जयंत अगर बोल रहे हैं कि ये also you can see, कंपेयर करने के लिए अगर आप दोनों के डिनोमिनेटर सेम करते हैं, here what you are getting 12 by 16. So we want a fraction which is greater than 12 by 16. The fraction should be greater than 12 by 16. The denominator is already 16 here. So which I should take? 3, 11, 12 or fine. Is it okay for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Anyone else? Janvi or Ayushi, Rituja, all of you done 13 only. Many of you have done 12 actually. So have to think a little bit, okay, before putting your answer. So again, give yourself mark. 4 questions we did. Check how much you got till now. Fifth one, perimeter of a polygon. Polygon made up of a closed figure made up of straight lines. We don't know the sides, but we know the length of one side, which is 4.5. In a polygon, we know the boundary, the total sum of all sides. What is the sum of all sides? 20.5. And polygon we know, here the all sides are equal. So how many sides where the length of one side is 4.1? Now I want new participants to answer. Already those who answered, they will not get chance. So please keep your videos on and raise your hand. Aishi, Rituja. Samriddhi. Janvi, Rishi Kalapati, there are so many students, you people not answer, then we will end the class. I will put a video on explanation on YouTube only. Okay, who will answer? Yes? Who is speaking? Answer the question.
Sir, can I answer the question?
No, wait a minute, Harsh. Let's see who other can answer. Actually, the students, they don't want to participate. We will stop taking classes on Teachment either. Only on YouTube, one way. फिर क्या होगा? Only I will speak and you all will listen. यहाँ मैं आप सबको सुन सकता हूँ. That's why we are taking it. Who will answer? Raise your hand fast.
Sir, one doubt.
Yes.
Sir, what is the answer of the second question in the exam?
Was the addition of those two numbers, Rishi, above and below. उसमें addition करना है total.
Is this?
Yes. 9966.
Sir, and the answer of the third question is this 13?
Yes.
The fourth question?
Fourth question answer was 13. Fourth also 13. Now only we discuss. You watch the video again, okay? When I upload. Yes, Harsh, you answered it fast.
Sir, we have to first divide 20.5 by 4.1. So 20.5 multiplied by 10, 4.1 multiplied by 10. So 205 divided by 41. So the answer is 5. So we in the option 5 shape, 5 line shape only one. 5 line one shape was there, so it is pentagon. So the answer is pentagon.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
Sir,
Yes, boss.
sir, but first I did like 4.1 into 5. So I got 20.5. So I wrote pentagon.
Very good, very good. That is also, see, one side is given, so he just guessed directly. Okay, जैन ने क्या किया? Side is 4.1. अब आप कह रहे हैं polygon में कुछ sides होंगी, 6 side, 4 side. तो जो options थे इसी में से वो check किया. He just multiplied. So he also got 20.5. Okay. So see, there are different ways to solve. इसलिए हम discuss करते हैं ना. आप भी इस तरह से very good जयंत. I appreciate you that you speak when you do something different. Okay. That what only we want. Okay, to do a particular question in 2 or 3 ways.
So I don't know the question, so I cannot answer.
What?
So I didn't attend the exam or the test you said, so I don't know.
Fine, then also you just try. Okay, it's a basic thing I think. Again, आपको division शायद पता होगा decimals का, है ना? So the thing is when the total is given and one side is given and we have asked total number of sides. तो already मैंने यहाँ पर लिख दिया था. What you should multiply in 4.1 to get 20.5. So opposite of multiply is divide. We divided. So there are 5 sides. The answer of the fifth one is pentagon.
So what if we divide 20 and 4?
20 and 4 we can't actually, it is a number.
We will also get 5, so we can do that or that type also, no?
Yes, sir. I also done that type. 20.5 division
I also
4.1.
did like that only.
One. Santosh, what are you telling?
Sir, I too did this method 20.5 by 4.1. So I got 5. So it's the answer is pentagon.
Yes. No, this Mahalakshmi, she is telling something different. What Mahalakshmi?
Sir, if we divide 20 and 4, we will get 5. So we can do this type or that method you showed.
20 and 2.
20 and 4. We will get 5. So
No. Actually, it's a number is 4.1. Na? So we have to take complete number 4.1. Only the integer part we can't divide. Okay, she's telling like this. Okay, so this is wrong. Fine. This way we can't do. We have to take the complete number, which is 4.1. Okay.
yes.
It is also a good thing. We have misconception we discuss करते हैं. Okay, question number 6. The range of the data. This type of question we have discussed already. If 2 was subtracted from each value, सबसे पहले तो इसका range निकालना होगा. Now the one whom I am asking answer after giving them Advaita Dwivedi. Sorry, Adamya. Adamya, speak. What is the range here? Rishi Kalapati. Yes, Rishi.
Sir, the range is
The range is 12.
Range is 12, beta. Highest minus lowest. Which is the highest? 7.
Sir,
Which is the lowest?
-5.
So what is their difference?
12.
No, 7 minus 5. Minus become? So the range is 12.
In the same way only I did.
Wow. So the range is 12. Now if we separate 2 from each. So let us see what will happen. This 2 will become 0. Minus 2 minus 5. How would you see?
7. 7 minus 2.
Next.
1.
Next, 3 minus 2 is 1, 7 minus 2 is 5, and 6 minus 2 is 4. Now also we can see the range, which is the highest here again, 5. And
Again the range is same.
yes, the range is same. The question was if we subtract -2 from each number, है ना? सभी नंबर में से अगर हम -2 को subtract कर देते हैं, we will get the new observations. अभी जो नया डाटा आएगा, इस सीरीज का रेंज सेम होगा या नहीं? Will it change? No, it will not change. You
So
can
the answer
see.
is false.
So this one is true or false? The range would change, so it's false. Question number 11. The correct option is false because the range is not going to change. If the arithmetic mean of 8 plus 4 plus x mean, what is the value of x?
Sir, which question is this?
This is 12th question, Rishi.
12.
Janvi.
Sir,
Janvi, what is the answer?
3.
How?
5 equal to
Yes.
5 equal to 27 plus x by 6.
By x. What is the formula of mean?
Sum of observation by total number of observation.
Okay, तो mean का formula होता है sum अपना total, है ना? सभी observation का sum करना है और जो total है उससे divide करना है. So there are how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the sum?
27 plus x
Yes.
by 6
is equals to
equal to 5.
5. Mean हमको already दिया हुआ है ना? Mean हमको दिया हुआ है. Yes. Next step.
6 will go to 5 side, so it will become 5 into 6.
Fine.
So 27 plus x equal to 30.
Okay.
And 27 will come to left side, so it will become 30 minus 27x equal to 3.
Very good. So the value of x is 3 here because mean is already given. Mean हमको दिया हुआ है ना, the mean is 5 and one of the observation is hidden which is asked, so we can find in this way. Oh, sorry, I was on true or false. Fine, I jumped to this filling the blank. This is actually question number 12. If anybody who not understood, unmute and speak.
Sir, I have a doubt.
What?
Sir, why do we do 27 plus x is equal to 5 into 6? 5 multiplied by 6.
27 plus x, because you can, first of all, you got it like one of the number we don't know, so we add the remaining numbers. What are the remaining? 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 6 18, 18 plus 2 20 plus 7 27. Okay, now 27 plus x divided by total, because mean formula is sum upon total. Now this is in division. Okay, now when we transpose on the right hand side, so division will become multiplication. Okay, division become multiplication, so it become 30. Now this oral you can see what should be x here, 3 only.
Yes, sir.
किसी को कुछ नहीं पूछना है, बस एग्जाम में रॉन्ग आंसर करना है ना?
Sir, exam correction is over.
हाँ, yes, correction is over.
Excuse me, sir.
जी.
So why did you miss that remaining questions before that when we came to 8th question?
No, we will do actually. By mistake, I just jumped. I was seeing on the PDF and wait a minute. Okay, so we have to discuss the 7. When I am taking name, then also if people are not answering. Ayushi, Ayushi Singh. Ayushi Singh is absent. Narayan Pandey. At least unmute yourself and answer. Narayan.
Sir, can I answer?
Wait a minute, beta. Just wait a minute. Huh? Samriddhi. Okay, Narayan, answer it fast.
Yes, sir.
What will you do?
Sir, we will Cross multiply, okay?
5 by 2 divided by 2.
Yes.
Next step.
Sir, we will same the remainder.
No, we are dividing it now.
Yes.
What is the opposite of divide?
Sir, multiply.
Okay. Next.
Reciprocal, sir.
Okay. 4 by 1 become.
1 by 4.
So the answer is
5 by 8.
5 by 8 is the answer. 20 by 4. So this one is also false.
And out, sir.
Yes, Shaktiman.
Sir,
Hmm.
because the answer is false, but in the board it is written. But in my book, another method is there. Answer be correct?
No, this is only the question and the answer came 5 by 8. So this is a false.
Means in my book, the method is this one.
Will you type in the chat box, Rishi?
Okay, sir.
I'm not getting what you are telling actually.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, we have to send approx marks in WhatsApp.
But after discussion all the solutions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Fine. So thank you everyone. Join
Thank you,
tomorrow on
sir.
time.
Thank you, sir.
Just
Thank you, sir.
Rishi, you WhatsApp me better.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Jai Hind, sir.
Thank you, sir.